apply gel polish. Now with Dimension Nails and Gel Polish, it is a 3-step system. So you have a base coat, a color, and a top coat. I'm going to show you all of the lamp options as well, but it's super easy to do at home, or you can also take the gel polish to a salon, but today I'm going to be showing you how to do it at home because that's what this tutorial is about. But you can actually save a lot of money doing it yourself at home. So once you get a base coat and a top coat, then all you need to do is just pick out colors you like from time to time, and then just refill your base and your top coats when you need to. And all the gels I'll be using in today's video are certified by PETA, Logical Harmony, and Leaving Bunny. So let's go get started. All right, so there's 3 options for lamps, and I'm going to show you what each of them do and the pros and cons. This is the portable LED lamp, and it's just a really tiny one. It runs off of batteries, and this one is great for keeping in your purse or using with like things like charms or anything like that where you kind of need to get into little crevices. That's what I like using this one for. It will only cure one nail at a time, so you can't really try and cure all of them. So it's great for like little touch-ups and, like I said, for charms and things like that, or if you like to do embellishments or any type of nail art. I really like how you can maneuver this around the nail. I also like how you don't have to have a power source available because it runs off of batteries, and it's also the cheapest one out of the 3. The next one is the mini LED lamp, and this one is really nice and portable. It also has a USB attachment, so if you want to work at your laptop, you can totally do that. It has 6 LED bulbs that cure from the top down, so that means when you're curing your nails, you may need to rotate them to hit the sides a little bit. Also, it doesn't hit your pinky, so you're going to need to slide that on over to make sure you cure your pinky as well. You can press the button once for 1 minute, twice for 2 minutes, and then a third time to turn it off. This is a 12-watt LED lamp with a normal life of 35,000 hours to about 50,000 hours. Also, you want to make sure that you're going to cure your thumbs separately as well. In terms of cost, this one is very budget friendly compared to the Pro, and I think it's a really great lamp for beginners. And lastly, we have the Pro lamp. There's a lot of features in this lamp that I really like. Let's start off with the timers on the back, which there is 3 buttons located here. There is a 10-second button, a 30-second button, and then also a 60-second button. And these are all timers. So basically what you would do is press the button once and the lamp will come on. Then you can place your hand in and remove it, and that will reset the timer. So now you can go ahead and place your hand in and cure your nails. So you can press pretty much any of these depending on what you're going to be curing, I guess, whether it's a clear, like a base coat or a top coat or a color, or you can just leave it on one setting and cure them all at that same time. It also comes with a removable base to make cleaning really easy and also curing your toes very simple. It comes with 24 LED lights located inside in a dome shape. This is going to cure all of your nails evenly. The sensors are located on either side, one over here, and then also one over here. When you place your hand in, the lamp will come on. Also, you can clean the base easy with some soap and water, which I need to clean mine. And then there's some magnets to attach it back together. So now let me show you how the lamp is going to cure. You'll place your hand in, and as you can see, it's going to even hit my thumb as well, so you won't need to cure your thumbs separately. You just stick your whole entire hand inside there and it will cure everything evenly. But not only can you do one hand, it is actually large enough to do both hands at the same time if you want. Being a 48-watt lamp, this will cure your nails in half the time. So base coats and top coats and builders, anything that's clear can take about 10-second cure, and then any colors can take about a 30-second cure. The smaller ones here will take about 30 seconds to cure any clears and then 60 seconds to cure any colors. So it's just up to you and your lifestyle and which one is going to work best. Moving on to application. Now the base coat is going to be standard for builders and for colors, so you're just going to apply this onto the nail and make sure that you cap the tip. Also, if you'd like to know how to build vegan cruelty-free extensions using my Day Slayer gel, I also have a video for that I'll leave a link to. Now we can go ahead and cure, and that's just basically putting your nails in those lamps that I showed you. The next thing you want to do is choose your color, and today I'm going to be using Slain Nails Not Animals. It's a beautiful hot pink. I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. I think it's my favorite. So you're going to go ahead and paint one thin coat on and cap the tip. Okay, just like this, and then go ahead and cure. Then we're going to go in with a second coat, and most gels will take about 2 coats, sometimes 3, depending on the color. And you want to make sure to remove any gel that gets onto your skin with a brush and a little acetone nail polish remover. Now go ahead and cure. Finally, we want to apply a top coat, and there are 2 choices for top coats. There is a tacky and then also a no wipe. And the difference between the two is the tacky is going to leave a moisture layer that you'll need to wipe off, and the no wipe will not. The tacky does have a little extra added, I guess, perks to it because you can do some nail art with that I'll show you guys in a later video. So go ahead and cure that and wipe off your moisture layer with some alcohol and a paper towel or a lint-free wipe. And that is it. Voila! We have easy, vegan, cruelty-free gel nails.